This is David with the Prepper Bookshelf, and I've got a good book here for you. The Complete Book of Butchering, Smoking, Curing, and Sausage Making, How to Harvest Your Livestock and Wild Game. Okay? If you've watched my chicken butchering video or my rabbit butchering video, you know I'm not the most expert at it. You know, when you think cutting an animal up, you know, and cooking him is pretty easy, but there's really a whole lot to it, more than, you know, getting the guts out and not getting hair on the meat. You know, actually cutting them up and butchering them into usable portions and, you know, turning them into something besides, you know, stew beef is kind of hard. You know, in this book, a lot of good pictures, a lot of good recipes, right? Talks how to make corned beef hash, you know, jerkies, and you know what kind of knives to buy, you know how to smoke, how to butcher, you know, fish, small game, meat curing, meat smoking, all sorts of great information. Making sausages. I made a sausage video, but it got lost, and I've got to redo it. But as I was making my sausage, you know, I had the meat on one hand and the book in the other, and you know, it turned out pretty good. But this is a great book. It's a lot more modern. There's a lot of butchering books out there, but they tend to be a little bit more old-fashioned. I've also got some of the story butchering books, and they're great too. But I like this one because, you know, really clear pictures, lots and lots of illustrations, and really easy to read. I think it's totally worthwhile getting. Okay, so anyway, here you go. Complete Book of Butchering, Smoking, Curing, and Sausage Making. I think that you know, if you're into that, this is a great book to have. And there you go. And until next time, I appreciate you watching. You can catch us online at prepperbookshelf.com. Thanks.